Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM Gestures series, in this video we'll see how to perform long press gesture using API Inspector Gestures tab. Okay, so I open the APM Inspector and my APM server is running and I have using the emulator. Okay, so I have the saved capabilities. I have taken simple capability here. So this is name is sample. So just start a session. Okay, just I given the capabilities as platform name and automation name. That's it. Okay, so my session is getting started. So in this video, the example we'll see is, so I had to do a long press on the people's name so that I can get this menu. Okay, so this thing long press will perform this gesture by using the APM inspector. Okay, in APM inspector we have tab called gestures tab. Just go there. Okay, and we have the default screen will display the saved gestures. Okay, here it contains all the gestures what we have created here. Okay, in previous video we have created for the tab gesture, right, demo. Okay, so it is there. Now in this video we are talking about the long press. Okay, so let's minimize this one, and you want to create a new gesture, right? Just click on this plus icon which says create new gesture, select it. Okay, and this section is known as the gestures header, and it contains title and description, and it is the gesture flow, and this is the pointer. It is the you can able to create the virtual finger here. Okay, and this is the actions type. Okay, this particular pointer 1 or finger 1. Okay, what are the actions it performed by this finger? That is the pointer here. Okay, so first we'll give the title here. We say long press demo. Okay, title is long press demo, and description say to perform long press gesture. Okay, say long press gesture. Okay, so I given the title and the description here, and the default is the percentage here. So I want in pixel. Just check the pixel here. Okay, now our title and description is ready. Okay, and you see the question mark here because I not created any action type here. Okay, so first thing, the first and most thing in here is that first I had to move my finger. See here is a pointer 1, right? Okay, I can edit also. I can say as finger 1. Okay, so I am creating a virtual finger here. Think like that. Okay, so finger 1. Okay, the first thing what I had to do action with the finger 1 is that I had to move my finger onto this element. Okay, means on the screen, on the mobile screen, where I had to move my finger on this particular element here. Okay, based on x and y coordinates. Okay, so my finger is here. I had to move my finger to on this element, so that I want to perform the long press on this element. The first step will be the action type will be the move. Just I had to select the move. Okay, and you can see the icon got changed here. It says move. Okay, and I need to do the duration. See, first thing, when I move my finger on this element, so I am not taking any time here. So just I am moving the time. Just I am moving my finger on this element. So it will be 0. Okay, so instead is 0. And where I had to move? Okay, I had to move on this element based on x and y coordinates. That is the pixels. Okay, you see here x and y. There is no value here. Once I click on this one, you can see it's click on here. You can see the red dotted circle. Okay, means I am clicking on this one, and the x and y coordinate. You can see here the what x and coordinate it is there. The same. See 628. 279 same will display here. Means I am performing the long press on this one. Means I am moving my first step. I am moving my finger here in this location on this mobile screen based upon x and y coordinates, and the duration is 0. So my finger is here. Okay, now what I had to do, I had to press it. So for pressing, I had to select the action type. So I had to create one more action type clicking on the plus symbol here. Okay. So I had to click on this add. So it will add the action type here. So what I had to do, I had to press it, right? Means press down. So I select the action type as pointer down. That is this finger. Okay. The left. I am using the left. Okay. Argument here. So I am touching on the finger. See, it changed. See, when I remove this one, it is dotted. Means my finger is here. Okay. When I say touch that element on a particular x and y coordinates on the mobile screen, see, you can change this here. See, dot. Okay. So it is touching there, and you can see you can create one more action here. See, it says down. See, down button left. Okay. After touching that particular element, what I had to do, I had to wait for some time. Okay. Long press. If you give, see, I say add. I want to add one more action here. Means I had to touch it for long time here. Means I had to pause that virtual finger. Means I had to pause for some time here. So I say action type pause. Okay. If I pause for 0 milliseconds or 2 milliseconds, it will be a tap. Okay. But I want to perform long press, right? Means I had to give more time here. So what I am giving here? I am giving 3 milliseconds. Means 3 seconds here. Means I am performing a long press. Okay. So when I say this one, you can see the icon here. Action is added here. So if we remove it, it will go away. See, it will go away. So I had to pause for 3000 milliseconds. So pause means I am pressing that particular element there. Means based upon x and y coordinates. So 3000 milliseconds. If I move here also, you can see most of it gets duration is 3000 milliseconds. After pressing that one, I had to lift my finger. Okay. So I had to add the action type here. So just click on add, and action type I need to select pointer up. Okay. You see here, pointer down, arrow is showing down. Pointer up, arrow is showing up. Okay. And all these actions are W3C actions API we are using here. Okay. Got it? So we are performing the W3C actions API we are using here to perform these actions here. Okay. So now my gesture is ready. So what it is doing? It is placing my virtual finger here. That is the finger 1. Okay. I am moving the finger here based upon the x and y coordinates, and I am just pressing the element here by using the pointer down action. And I am waiting for, means after pressing I am waiting for 3000 milliseconds, that is 3 seconds here, so that it will be a long press. Then I am lifting my finger here. Okay. So what I will do, instead of saving this one, I run it. We'll see. Now it has to come here. So manually what I will do, I will do it here. See, if I press it here, long press, so it has to come. Okay. The same thing I had to perform there. Okay. So say run. So we have the button called play. Just click on play. So it has to, the menu has to display. See, long press we have performed here. Okay. Just say refresh. Say long press I had done. So I not want this one. So what I will do, I go back here. Okay. And so I have performed on this one, right? Long press. But now I want to long press on this dog name. Okay. So I want to create one more long press gesture. No need. Just I want to change this position, red dot position to here. So how I can able to do it? So here you can see in the first action type we have this icon. Just click on this one. So it will enable. Now just click on wherever you want to do the long press. Just click here. See, my dot has shifted from here to here. Means now I can able to long press in this area. Okay, just say play. See, now it perform a long press on this dog name. See, like that. So now I want to shift it to other position. I want to shift on fish name. Simple. It already enabled. Just click on here. That's it. So just say play. So if you create one time this long press gesture, any gesture on API inspector, we can use for any number of applications or on elements. Just we need to change the focus of the particular element here. Okay, so this is how we can able to do the long press here. So apart from this one, now what I will do, I save this one. Okay, I have saved as. So I said a long press here. Okay, now here also, see if I move here, this pointer is pointing how here. Okay, if I say run, see it click on fish name. It press a long press on the fish name here. See, like that. And what I will do, as I told, right, this gesture we can use in anywhere, right? Just I will show here. Okay, just go back here. I will say home. So I want to perform a long press on this YouTube. Okay, so if you see, if you perform a long press, it's use some menu. See, this type of menu has to come. So, and I have done it manually here. But I want to do it in by using the long press gesture in API inspector. So we'll do. So I want to long press on this YouTube. Okay, so just edit here, go edit and say select this icon and just move on this one. Okay, just change. So we're not creating the gesture once again. Okay, we are using the existing one. Just we are editing the x and y coordinates. Okay, it's update got updated. Now just play. It will be a long press. You get the menu here, the options. See, when I am doing long press on the YouTube, see, means we are creating the gesture once and we are using this gesture a number of times. Okay, and we can see how exactly we can do the long press here. Okay, and this is very handy when you want to create any gesture. Okay, in our script, and we are using the W3C actions API. Already I have discussed about this one in our previous videos. Okay, when I am creating the videos on the W3C actions API. So I am opening this API guide and I have show you how the script will be. The same script we are following there. Okay, so I'll just open that particular script and I will show what exactly there. And I'll place this link also in the description so that you can go through it. So in demos we are done and say long press. See, long press. See, when you go through the script, you can see here the first step what I did, creator pointer move, means I am moving my finger, creator pointer down, pause, pointer up. The same 4 actions I am done here. See, if you go back to Appium inspector, the same 4 actions. See, pointer, so just means we are performing the by using the W3 actions API. That's why I want to show here. Okay, just move this one. See, pointer, create pointer move, this is a 1, create pointer down, this is a 1. Okay, you see a duration I given 0, the same thing, and x and y coordinates I calculate center of this element. Okay, and you can see point pass. See, I say new pass index finger, here I use a finger 1. Okay, duration of 5 seconds, here I use the 3 seconds. Okay, and pointer up, here you can see the create a pointer up, the same thing I performing here. So whatever the action type we are creating, the gesture we are creating, it is same as the W3C actions API. Here we are creating the virtual finger by using the by using the pointer input and sequence class. The pointer input here is this one, this section is a virtual finger I am creating here, and these are the actions, that is a sequence dot add actions. You see, add actions. So it's 4 actions I have added here for long press. So the same thing it will do here in API inspector. Okay, so this is how we can able to do the long press here. So now I want to save this one. Okay, save. Okay, now it is saved and I go back here. Okay, so the long press demo gesture is done. If you want to edit, just click on here and edit it here, and if you want to delete it, you can delete here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll delete this one. Okay, I don't want this one, I say I want to delete it. See, now we have 4 gestures here, I just delete here. I say okay, yes. So I deleted the gesture action here, and now I want download here. So when you click on download, you can able to download this gesture in .json file here. You say gesture long press demo save. Okay, just I saved in the downloads. Right now I want to save in instead of downloads. I go to downloads. So say download. See it has saved the file in the JSON format. Okay, if I want edit here also, I can able to edit here. So I say finger 1 instead of finger 1, I say finger 0. Otherwise I say index finger. Okay, index finger. Please note that it accepts 10 characters, so I want to give 10 characters here. Okay, I say index finger. Only one change I did it. Okay, now I say save. So everything I keeping same and save. Now I go back here to API inspector. Okay, and just upload. I want to upload that one. Okay, so whatever changes I did, right? Yes, I say upload. See, long press, and when I click on this one, you can see when I edit, it says index finger. But we have created the in our API inspector, that is the finger 1. But I edited in the JSON and I uploaded here, and it also perform the same action. You see the dot here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just edit, and I want to do a long press. Okay, just I click on this one on this photos. Okay, just say run. So we long press on the photos icon. Okay, so this is how we can able to perform the long press. Just save. Okay. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.